Elementary 9. A famous person, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists in history. He was born in Germany in 1879. As a child, he was very curious about how the world worked. He didn't like the strict rules at school, but he loved mathematics and physics. In 1905, he published several important papers that changed science forever. His most famous formula is E equals mc squared. Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. He was not only a scientist but also a man who loved peace. During World War II, he moved to the United States and lived there until he died in 1955. People remember him for his brilliant mind and also his messy hair and funny personality. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." His work still helps scientists today to understand the universe.